Hello. Yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
fine. So now we will discuss about the South America and what are the physical features of South America. So South America is also called as Latin America because majority of the people in the Africa they speak Latin language. That is why that is called as Latin America. So South America was discovered during when America was discovered by Columbus. So again, we can see that South America was also a complete, what you can say, the virgin land. South American people were living there, but again, South America was also colonized by the European countries in the 18th and 19th century. So three important part of the South America that you can see here. That one of the important feature of South America is that from the north part of the South America, the Tropic of Equator, that is the equator passes from the north part of the Africa. One second, let me go to the this image. So can you see here that the equator passes from the north of North America? Got it? So while in Africa, the equator passes from the middle of Africa. Got it? So in world map, we will see once again. You can understand the comparison
Okay.
between the location of the Africa and South America. Can you see the image now? Is it visible? Okay. So this is world map. World map is visible to all of you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one second. Okay, here we can see that Africa is located here and South America is located here. So from the middle of Africa, the equator passes, and from the north of Africa, the equator passes. North America, sorry, South America. You got it? The comparative location of the South
Yes,
America.
sir.
Okay, check. So South America, as I told you, that South America is again a very important continent. So here we can see that from the in the west of South America, we have the, what you can say, the fold mountain ranges. So these are the one of the longest and the highest fold mountain ranges, and these mountain ranges are called as Andes mountain ranges. So here you can see that red color and yellow color, what you can say, the part. So this part is called as the Andes mountain ranges. Got it? So here we have the Amazon river basis, one of the largest river of the world. Like Nile is the longest river, while Amazon is the largest river. So Amazon river lies in the North Africa, sorry, north of South America, and here we have Brazilian highlands. That is, highlands means it is a plateau of Brazilian plateau. Here we have Pampas grasslands. We will discuss about it. Pampas grassland. Here we can see that a small island is located here. It is called as Falkland Islands. So Falkland Islands are here. So this is actually a geologically active zone where this plate is moving to what is the west, to this direction, and while this plate is moving to this direction. So that is why here there is a formation of the fold mountain ranges in Africa. So the on the west, the complete west part of the Africa is made up of the fold mountain ranges, which are called as Andes mountain ranges, right? So these are the only physical feature, that is Amazon river, then the Brazilian highlands, and the Andes mountain ranges in the west part of Africa. So we'll go to the political map of Africa, which what you can say, the countries are located in the South America, that we will see. So South America is connected with the North America by a small, what you can say, the land, what you can say, the land, and these here some countries are located. These are called as Panama, Costa Rica, and what you can say, the Nicaragua and Honduras. So these are the countries which links the South America with the North America. So here we have a country called Colombia. Right, so Colombia is located on the north part of Africa. Colombia, then we have Venezuela, then we have what you can say, French Guyana. So anyone knows why the French Guyana is known for? Have you ever heard about the term French, like the name of the country is French Guyana? Yes, French.
No, sir.
French Guyana is located near the coast, and whenever you have to launch a geosynchronous satellites, you have to launch it from the equator. So India's space agency, that is ISRO, launched some of its satellites from this French Guiana forest. So that you need to remember this India, this is very what you can say important for India's point of view, this country, because India has a collaboration, India has what you can say an agreement with French Guiana, and from where we launch our what you can say the satellites. Like some of the satellites are launched from India itself, but some of the satellites which you need to set, what you can say, launch it from the equator, and that is why we launch it from the French Guiana. So there are some other countries like Venezuela. Venezuela is again known for the petroleum product, one of the important country which export crude oil, and again we import crude oil from Venezuela. Here we have Colombia. Colombia, have you heard about Colombia? Do you know Colombia is known for which?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So Colombia, yes, where you have heard about Colombia, Yasmin? ठीक है, चलिए. So Colombia, then we have Peru, then we have Chile. Here you can see a long elongated country called Chile is located on the western part. So they declare that Andes mountain ranges are located in Chile. Then you have Patagonia desert. So in South America, we have two deserts. One is called as Patagonia desert, which is located in the south of America, and one is called as Atacama desert. So here you can see the Atacama desert is located on the near the Tropic of Capricorn, while the Patagonia is located here. So Patagonia is a cold desert, while Atacama is a hot desert. So what is the difference between cold deserts and hot deserts? That we will be discussing while the world climatic region, when we'll be discussing the world climatic region. Fine. So here we have Argentina. Can you check it out? Here Argentina is a country, and in Argentina, here we see there is one island. These are called as Falkland Island. So a dispute is going on between Argentina and UK. Like here you can see that Falkland Island in the bracket it is mentioned UK. It means what? These Falkland Islands are under the control of the United Kingdom. Argentina claims that Falkland Islands are theirs, but UK says they have the political control of that. So there is a what I can say, like we have seen that recently India China had a dispute over the Doklam. Similarly, Argentina and the England are having dispute related to the Falkland Islands here. So located here, we just need to remember where the Falkland Islands are located. Then we have Bolivia. Then we have Ecuador. Why it is called as Ecuador? Because the equator passes through this country, that is why it is called as Ecuador. Then Bolivia is also located here. Paraguay is also located here. And Brazil is also here. Like Brazil is again one of the largest countries in the world. This is again the part of the BRICS countries. So in Brazil we have Amazon River, right? So Argentina and Brazil, these are the developing countries, and Bolivia is located here. Like Bolivia, anyone knows Bolivia is known for which person? There is one personality from Bolivia who is very famous in the history. Anyone knows who is from Bolivia? Okay. So have you ever heard about Che Guevara? Che Guevara का नाम कभी सुना है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, he is one of the radical communist, what you can say, the leader. So he belongs to Bolivia. So he was from Bolivia. So anyways, that these are the physical features of the Brazil. So what you need to remember, Andes mountain ranges which are located in the western part of the South America. These are as a result of the convergence of the plate boundaries. And again, we have the largest river in the world, that is Amazon. And we have what you can say, that's this South America is linked with the North America through a what you can say a narrow land. And this in this narrow land there are countries like Panama, Costa Rica, Honduras. And in this Panama, you know that there is a canal is dig up again here, that is called as Panama Canal, which joins Atlantic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean, while the Suez Canal joins Red Sea with the Mediterranean Sea, while the Panama Canal joins the Pacific Ocean with the Caribbean Sea, or it joins with the Atlantic Ocean. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
चलिए ठीक है. So this is all about the North South America. So we'll stop it here today. Tomorrow we will be discussing about the North America, and we will be discussing about the Australia. What are the physical features of North America and Australia? Fine. So you understood how to read the world map. You need to check it out. What are the important physical features of the world? That is what is mentioned in the UPSC syllabus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chale, so we'll stop here.
Okay.
Tomorrow we'll continue at the same time, and we will be speaking about America and Australia. Fine, and probably at maybe at 5:30 or maybe around what you can say 6 o'clock, we will be having a newspaper analysis for today.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Chaliye, thank you so much. We'll continue tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you.